children, how are you? We really miss you. Hi CPA families. Today it is actually Tasty Tuesday. So we are going to make our own spider. It's really easy and simple. We need dark chocolate fudge. We need 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. Good job, Besma. We're going to have 1 cup of liquid. You can have juice or you can have water. So I'm going to have juice for today. We're going to have 1/3 of a cup of oil. And then we need a bowl to mix everything in it. Are you ready?
Ready!
Good job, Besma. Here we go. We're going to empty all the chocolate in here. Good job, Besma. Thank you. And now we need, how many eggs do we need?
3.
3.
1, 2, 3.
Good job. So I'm going to break them down, okay?
Smash them together.
Good job, Besma. 2. And 3. You want to help me to mix? Okay, go help me to mix. We're going to mix it. Good job, Besma. Ready? Just keep mixing. Good job, Besma.
Juice.
Or the juice. I'm going to add the oil. And we're ready to mix, 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 mix.
Spider out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again.
Thank you, Besma. It's really ready and it's mixed and creamy. Good job, Besma. Really good. Can I put the oven on 350? Can you please help me to put the cupcake papers in here? How many do we need? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Here you go. 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12. Good job. Just to make sure that it's not going to be sticky.
that.
And now we're ready to put some.
Went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again.
Now we're going to put it in the oven. Remember, you need a parents with you.
Came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came
And it's ready. Let's see. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. We did it. It's yummy cupcake. Woohoo. We have the cupcake. Now we need some M&Ms. We need some pretzels, but we need those kind of pretzels. Ask mommy and daddy to buy them. And we need some chocolate cream. And now, guys, do you remember how many legs the spider has? Spider have 5 legs? Nah, it have 8 legs. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I am going to help this spider to have their 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go to this side. And I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I have 8 legs. And I'm going to use the M&Ms. I'm going to have 2 red ones. And I'm going to have them as the eyes. But remember, the spider have 8 eyes too. So you can put as much as you want of M&Ms. If you want more, you can put more. And here is my spider. Thank you so much, and thank you for coming. I really miss you a lot. Hopefully I see you all soon. Bye-bye, CPA families.